Wait, are you making these mistakes in English? If you are, don't worry. You're not alone. Almost every learner makes them. Hello and welcome back. I'm Miss Sheerin, your English teacher. Today, I'll show you the 10 most common mistakes students make and how to fix them quickly. Stay with me until the end because I'll give you a short quiz to test yourself. Let's get started. Mistake 1. Don't say, I agree. Say, I agree. Don't say, she's agree with me. Say, she agrees with me. Agree is a verb, an action word, not an adjective. Just say, I agree, or she agrees with me. Mistake 2. Don't say, I have 25 years old. Say, I am 25 years old. Don't say, she has 18 years old. Say, she is 18 years old. In English, we don't have age, we are an age. Mistake 3. Don't say, he said me the truth. Say, he told me the truth. Don't say, she said me a story. Say, she told me a story. Remember, we say something, but we tell someone something. Remember that. Mistake 4. Don't say, I'm here since 2 hours. Say, I've been here for 2 hours. Don't say, she is here since morning. Say, she has been here since morning. For actions that started in the past and continue to now, use the present perfect. Mistake 6. Don't say, she's married with a doctor. Say, she is married to a doctor. Don't say, he's married with Anna. Say, he is married to Anna. In English, it's always married to, not married with. Mistake 7. Don't say, I'm studying since morning. Say, I've been studying since morning. Don't say, she's working here since 2020. Say, she's been working here since 2020. Use the present perfect continuous. Have been plus verb plus ing. Mistake 8. Don't say, he's more taller than me. Say, he is taller than me. Don't say, she's more smarter than her brother. Say, she is smarter than her brother. Never use more with comparatives. Just say taller, smarter, stronger. Mistake 9. Don't say, I didn't went to school yesterday. Say, I didn't go to school yesterday. Don't say, she didn't eat breakfast. Say, she didn't eat breakfast. After didn't, always use the base verb. Mistake 10. Don't say, she doesn't like pizza. Say, she doesn't like pizza. Don't say, he doesn't play soccer. Say, he doesn't play soccer. After doesn't, the verb must stay in the base form. Now it's your turn. Correct these sentences. Number 1, I have 30 years old. I have 30 years old. Number 2, she doesn't sing well. She doesn't sing well. Number 3, they said me the answer. They said me the answer. Number 4, He's more stronger than me. He's more stronger than me. Number 5. I didn't saw him yesterday. I didn't saw him yesterday. Write your answers in the comments below. Well done! You've just corrected 10 common mistakes and you'll never make them again. If this lesson helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Thank you for learning with me. See ya in the next video. Bye for now.